Hello everyone, my name is Will Nutterson. I'm your instructor for EDUA 516, the Transformational Leadership class. I'm looking forward to working with you during this course. In the 8 weeks ahead, we will be focusing on building our leadership skills and how we can make a difference in the community and school that we are a part of, working with staff, families, and looking about reforming practices that maybe need time for reform. So with that, this is an introductory video to me, a little background on myself. I'm currently in the Meet Your Instructor page right here, a much more handsome picture of me, but I am a elementary school principal at Red Hill Elementary School currently. I've been the principal for the past 8 years there. Before that, I was a principal at Vay Elementary School. Both of those are in Tustin Unified. I've been an assistant principal at Hughes Middle School, a teacher on special assignment for 3 years, and then I started my career as an elementary school teacher with combination classes and everything else. I've taught 1st through 5th grade. I'm also a family man. I'm blessed to be married to Emily, who we've been married for 19 years. She is a kindergarten teacher in Tustin as well. And then I have 2 kids, Timothy and Sarah. Timothy's a junior in high school, and Sarah's an 8th grader in middle school. So a lot of fun with them. My background with Concordia, on the other hand, I am a graduate from Concordia. I hold my master's in educational leadership, what you're pursuing right now with Concordia. That's how I gained my admin credential to start this. But prior to that, I have my BA, my teaching credential, and my first master's in curriculum instruction from, it's now Vanguard University, but for me it was Southern California College, or SCC. So that's who I am in a nutshell. I look forward to working with you during this time. Please don't be afraid to refer to me as Will. My contact information, the cell phone number there, and my work phone number, I would say a cell phone. Don't hesitate to call or give me a text. My request is if you do text that you just let me know who you are. The work number is really for those live sessions, or if you need to get a hold of me in emergency situations. My secretary will be able to access me from there. I look forward to a great 8 weeks, and God bless.